The new Google Ads Editor version 2.0 is officially out. Create Performance Max campaign, view asset performance and more with this new update. Performance Max campaign only be created in the online in Google Ads interface. Now you can create and edit Performance Max campaign by using Google Ads Editor. To create Performance Max campaign through editor, we need to follow these steps. First you open your Google Ads Editor. Then click on the add campaign. Here you can add performance max. Select add performance max campaign and click on it. After clicking, here are some metrics shown. Now you can add your campaign name like test emax or performance max. After that you can add your daily budget. Suppose your daily budget is 1000. After that you can edit your goal level setting. By default it is selected account level. You can select on the campaign level itself. Then you can select your bid strategy type. You can select the multiple bid strategies by using your drop down menu. After that you can click on the you can enable the search network pattern and display networks. These are the campaign settings. After that, when your campaign settings is completed, then you can click on the assets group. Now click on the add asset group and add your headlines like headline 1, headline 1, headline 2, headline 3, similarly headline 4 and so on. After that you can add your long headline. Suppose long headline, long headline 1, similarly long headline 2 and so on. Now you can add your description. Description 1, similarly description 2, description 3 and so on. Now you can add your business name. Suppose my business name is test test.co. You can add your business URL or business name here. After that you can add the multiple images in this assets. After adding the multiple images you can add logos, your company logo or your business logo. You can also add your videos here and HTML5 file also. You can also add the path 1 part 2 and you can also add the final URL where you want to land the customer after clicking your ad. After that there is a option audience signals. So you can click on the icon and you can add your audience, which type of audience you want to run your campaign. After completing these all type of details, there is a option of button post. Then you can click on the button post. Your ad will be live in the Google Ads panel.